everyone. In this video we will talk about a very important part of plants, stomata, and observe it under a microscope. Stomata are tiny microscopic pores mostly found on the outer layer of leaves called epidermis. They can also occur on stems but less commonly than on leaves. Stomata are very essential for life processes of plants. During photosynthesis, stomata facilitate exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen with outside environment. Also, plants get rid of excess water through stomata. A stoma, which is singular for stomata, is surrounded by two bean-shaped guard cells. These guard cells control the opening and closing of stomata to regulate water loss. Plants generally keep their stomata open during daytime and closed during night time to regulate excess water loss. Also, there are more stomata on the lower side of the leaf instead of the upper side, because in that way they will be less exposed to the sun and more protected from the breeze to avoid any excess water loss. Now we will observe the stomata under a microscope. There are two ways to examine. Either we can peel a leaf and get the epidermal layer and then observe it directly, or we can take the impression using cellophane tape and clear nail polish and then observe that impression. Now for the first method, we take a leaf and then turn it upside down. We tear a part of the leaf blade and then tear it opposite to the venation. This might be a little tricky and you might need to try it many times with different leaves. Can you see this translucent layer? This is the lower epidermis. Now we will cut it. And we will put this over a microscope slide. You can also use a stain for better clarity, but here I am not using any. Then we can observe it under a microscope. As separating the epidermal layer can be challenging, I am going to show you a simpler method. First, take a leaf and apply clear nail polish on its underside. Let it dry completely. Now, we will take cellophane tape and stick it on the leaf. And slowly we will peel it out. As you can see, the clear nail polish is stuck to the tape. Now we will take a microscope slide and put it on it. Now we can observe it under a microscope. We can observe the stomata on the upper and lower surface of the same leaf. This will show that there are more stomata on the lower surface than the upper surface. Also, stomata are open in daytime and closed during night. Under high magnification, we can even differentiate between closed and open stomata. You might find it interesting to know that most floating aquatic plants have stomata on their upper leaf surfaces, and usually their stomata are permanently open. Thank you for watching this video.